Hi everyone. So Poco just launched their first smartwatch, the Poco watch. I had this watch for a week now. I would like to share with you this first look. So as you can see, it comes in this typical Poco yellow box. I think it's actually packed with specs. Let's go through the main ones here. I don't have pricing at the time of recording because I'm recording this before the event. By the time you see this video, probably we will know the price, but I'm expecting something below €100, $100. And for that you get an AMOLED display, which is the highlight feature for me actually. Blood oxygen saturation level, fitness modes, long battery life, water resistance, and built-in GPS. Let's have a look at the watch itself. I managed to sync it with my Mi Fitness app. So yeah, when you started it, you get a QR code that downloads the Mi Fitness app, and then you can use it with your Mi Fitness app on iOS or Android. You get a few settings here. You can go to, let's actually change the watch face to give you a demo of that. So yeah, let's have a look at the UI itself. Squarey design, heart rate monitor at the back, very simple. One power button. You long press for settings, I believe, and one press to turn it on. Also, you can see the list of apps that comes included. Big icons, I like that. But also you can swipe from the main screen to see your own. You see the main widgets. So you have your typical fitness, heart rate monitoring, fitness, stats, steps, weather. You also get notified with notifications here, so all your notifications will appear here. Or you can go to your control panel and control some shortcuts like do not disturb mode, for example. Or you can jump into settings. So this is your first look. It's really light. I like the screen, very clear in direct sunlight here as I'm recording. Let me know what you think. Ask me any questions in the description, and I would like to thank Poco for sending this one in advance. And I'll see you in another video.